Hello students, today we are going to learn a new topic, that is a keyboard. As the name implies, a keyboard is basically a board of keys. Along with the mouse, the keyboard is one of the primary input devices used with a computer. The keyboard's design comes from the original typewriter keyboards, which arranged letters and numbers in a way that prevented the type bars from getting damaged when typing fastly. This keyboard layout is known as QWERTY design, that is QWERTY design, which gets its name from the first 6 letters across in the upper left hand corner of the keyboard. While the design of computer keyboards may have come from typewriters, today's keyboards have many other keys as well. Modifier keys such as Control, Alt Option and Command or the Windows key can be used in conjunction with other keys as shortcuts to perform a certain operations. For example, pressing Command S or Control S typically saves a document or project you are working on. Most of today's computer keyboards also have a row of function keys along the top of the keyboard. F1 to F16. Arrow keys arranged in an upside down T. And a numeric keypad on the right hand side. Some keyboards have even more buttons, allowing you to change a system volume, eject a CD or open programs such as email or web browser. Keyboard is invented by Christopher Latham Scholz. Now just look at this image. It's a standard keyboard. So what do you mean by a standard keyboard? Standard keyboard is also known as the desktop keyboard. It includes alphabetic characters, numbers, and a variety of function keys. Just look at this image. This is called a laptop keyboard. This keyboard is like a normal keyboard, but the only difference is that this laptop keyboard contains all the symbols into fewer buttons to accommodate a less space. This is called a gaming keyboard. Gaming keyboard. This keyboard is similar to a normal keyboard, and this keyboard includes some extra features such as illuminated keys, multimedia keys, an additional LCD screen, palm rest and other features. Just look at this image. This is called a laser or infrared keyboards. This device projects the keyboard onto a flat surface such as a table or desk. Roll-up keyboards. Roll-up keyboards are made of soft plastic or silicone which can be rolled on itself for travel. IBM 3270 PC, released in October 1983, is an IBM PC XT containing additional hardware that, in combination with software, can emulate the behavior of an IBM 3270 terminal. Therefore, can be used both as a standalone computer and as a terminal to a mainframe. AT keyboard, alternatively referred to as the Model F keyboard. The AT keyboard is a US standard keyboard introduced in 1986 by IBM. The original version had 84 keys but was then replaced by the 101 key enhanced keyboard. Unlike new keyboards, the AT keyboard does not include the additional 3 Microsoft Windows key now found on many IBM compatible keyboards. Capacitive keyboards. These keyboards are unique in that pressing a key does not make electrical contact to complete the circuit. Instead, a movement of the plugger on the bottom of a key alters the state of a capacitive circuit, which the keyboard controller recognizes as a key press. Keyboards with capacitive switches provide the clacky feel typical of the original IBM Selectric and PC keyboards. Are quite durable. Keyboards with capacitive switches provide clacky feedback and even more durable than mechanical keyboards and are quite expensive. There is one more point for roll-up keyboards. It's very easy for carrying from one place to another. We can just roll it up and keep it in the bag.